So we have the first profit, and I think that is just amazing. And guys, we having a second profit right here. And guys, yes, we have one more profit. Hi everyone, my name is Camila, and today we're gonna talk about supports and resistance zone and also how to use them in your trading. Also, I want to remind you that I have absolutely free Telegram channel where I give you signals, strategies and some advices about trading, so don't forget to follow it up. And let's start about resistance and support zone. I think that is one of the most important instruments in our trading, and we're gonna start as usual, as you know, choosing the assets with the biggest payout. And I think we're gonna have 4 or 5 trades today to see how to use them and how to understand them. We're gonna use the time frame for 1 minute, $300, also the candles for 30 seconds. We're gonna use 2 indicators, that's gonna be Bollinger Bands and the oscillator, and also nothing else. I'm not gonna correct them here, but I'm gonna be using the horizontal line in graphics. So let's start and see something interesting. Okay, so here we go, and we can see that we have a resistance. No, we have a support zone right here first of all, and probably we're gonna push it down to try to strike at this point. So I'm gonna put down through. So here in this example, you can be very accurate because when you can see that support zone is very close. Also, we saw before the tail that was telling us, well, the zone high is not very pretty. You can go for selling and put the price downwards because that's probably gonna be a 99.9% the best decision you will ever make. And here's the support zone gonna help you with that understanding of the price. Also, then we're gonna look to the oscillator and see that we have 0 volumes of all the traders or buyers, the same, and very unstable market and very unstable flow, but very profitable positions to our deal. And I think that is the best plan for today. So we have the first profit, and I think that is just amazing. Let's find somewhere the resistance zone I wanted to show you. So let's see through. Probably not here. Okay, so here we go. We can see the beautiful resistance zone, and we already push it through, but I think we're gonna go downwards from here. So let's see. We have here the resistance zone, and if you forgot what is support and resistance zone, you can watch it in my previous videos, but I'm gonna cut the crap and tell you very quickly what is it. If you can see the volumes of the candles on the same level, it's probably here on the upside. It's gonna be the resistance zone. It's zone that pushes the price down and makes it downwards and downwards. And the same thing you have from the downwards position that calls a support zone, and we have the same position here, as you can see. So from here the price is pushes higher, and this zone is supports the zone downwards here and pushes the price higher and higher. So that is a very nice position for us. But as you can see here, we had the situation where we have the same, the resistance and the support zone, and we didn't got that well. So we're gonna have the martingale strategy, and we're gonna look through, because I think that we're gonna work with the curves and compensate that movement of the price. Also, as you can see, we have one more resistance zone right here, and I think that is quietly nice. I know that a lot of traders don't show you the negative trades, and I show you them to the fact that you can be emotionally stable, because I know that you're always looking to other people and thinking maybe I'm a little bit fodder, not so beautiful, not so smart, and etc. But I want to show you that even I, with a big experience, sometimes can be too tired, sometimes can be less focused and have not profitable deals, and that is absolutely okay. And guys, we having a second profit right here, and I think that is just amazing. So about the situations where you not win, that is not scary, that is absolutely okay, and I want you to have a very trustworthy relationships with me, so you can understand that I'm always with you and I always showing you the truth of my trading. So that's why I'm showing you all my emotions and all my trading moments. Let's continue. I'm not gonna lie, the situation is very unpredictable, but we have a resistance zone right here and we don't have a lot of buyers on oscillator. I will go to the downwards position because we have here the resistance zone. You can see I will show you it like this, the same level here, the candles, and also we don't have a big volumes on the oscillator. We have the window of the volumes right here, and I'm kind of sure that we're probably gonna push the price downwards because the flow, the Bollinger Bands shows me the middle line is downwards, that the price is here and also is not very stable position on the market, and we already in a profitable zone position. Is that nice? It's absolutely nice. So as you can see, we are winning here the resistance zone, giving us understanding of market, and that's how we're gonna make one more profit, and I think that's gonna be amazing, just amazing. And guys, yes, we have one more profit. Also, you know that I wrote in my Telegram channel a lot of information about resistance and support zones, so if you want to have more researches, some more deep information, you can just follow it up and find it there. Okay, so let's continue and make one more deal here. So we're gonna have a very nice result. So from here I think that we're gonna go higher because we have a very nice position to grow here, and also we have a good volumes and still the market go higher. And here I put 2 minutes for trade, and I think that's gonna be a very nice position. Also, let's see, we have a very nice support zone right here, so that is pushes the price higher, and I think that is very nice sign for us to go higher for this deal, and that's gonna be amazing. As you can see, you can also look through the market, the flow of the price, but sometimes it can be strikes down, up. So here the support zones are your friends. That's gonna help you to understand what's happening here, what's happening on the market, and where you can go higher, lower, strike, or continue to go downwards or continue to go upwards. That is very important. So I think that is very nice instrument to work with on the market. And as you can see, we're in an absolutely winning position, and I like it very much because 2-minute deals is usually a little bit easier if you really can see the flow of the market and understand how it works, but sometimes it can be not very nice situations for long-term deals because the market is not very stable. So here I am confident, I am chill, and I understand that this deal gonna be profitable as hell and we're gonna win, guys. So let's just wait few seconds up, just 10 seconds, and we're gonna win again. I think that is just amazing. And guys, we having the last profit for today. I think that was amazing, and I hope this video will be useful for you and very interesting. Don't forget that I have Telegram channel with free advices, signals, and strategies. I think that will be very interesting for you. Also, don't forget to follow my YouTube channel and put the likes on. Bye bye.